Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel event on Discord. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The Discord app is the ideal online platform to create fun events and online competitions. User can create a new server in Discord and invite people to an exclusive event hosted on these channels. You can also cancel an event in Discord. You can create a server on Discord and add an event if you want to do something creative. However, you can also delete event due to unforeseen circumstances. So on my previous video, I've showed you how to create event on Discord server. But now, what if you want to cancel this even for any reason? So it's so simple. So you can just open your Discord and go to the server that you just create the event. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner on the calendar icon in here, and you'll find there is an event that you just create. You can just tap on the event now. So here's the event. You can just tap on the three, tap on the three that's in here, and you'll find there is an option like start event, mark as not interested, edit event, cancel event, report, or copy event link. Because we want to cancel this event, you can just tap on cancel event. Are you sure you want to cancel this event? You can just tap on cancel event. So the event that you just create on the server has been canceled. It's so simple, right? And you can just create the new event if you want to. So that is how to cancel event on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.